students, today in this online class, I am going to explain you class 6 science chapter number 16, garbage in, garbage out. In previous video, we had discussed about compost, vermicompost, landfills. Today we are going to discuss about some more uses of biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste can be used in the form of recycled paper, recycled bag, manure, compost. So today we are going to study about recycling of paper. The recycling of paper is the process in which waste papers are converted into the new paper products. It has number of benefits. It saves waste paper from occupying homes of people. Uses of recycled paper. Recycled paper can be used in various purposes. It can be converted for different forms of papers. It can be used for different films like office paper, toilet paper and tissues, paper napkin and towels, magazine, newspapers, greeting cards, cardboards, etc. For recycling of paper, various steps are there. Different steps are working in cycle like consuming, then collection, then transportation, then pulping, after that cleaning and refining, then paper making and finally selling. This cycle is continuously going on. We are consuming, we are utilizing different new fresh papers for our various uses. Then after using, we are collecting in the collection part, then we are sending to the through the transport, and then we are making pulp with that, and then we are cleaning and refining this pulp, and then we are making paper by using machines, and then finally we are selling it in the market, and again it is consuming by people. Recycling of paper, it can be understood by this small activity. How could we do in home? In very small scale, we can doing that recycling of paper at home also. Soak newspaper and waste paper in water for a day or two. Then squeeze out the excess water. Then crush the soaked paper, get a paste. After that, fill the bowl with water, paper paste in the bowl and stir it. Immerse the frame of the wire sieve in the watery suspension in the bowl. Slowly remove the frame from the suspension and steadily place it in horizontal position. Now separate the layer of paste from the frame. Wait for the water to drain. Thus we have the recycled paper. Same way in the factories, in paper mills, these processes are going in a very large scale. In more detailing, these processes are going, and they are manufacturing different types of variety of paper by doing that recycling process. Recycling of paper, under that different steps are there, different stages are there. By this mind map, we can understand this step. First, waste paper collection from public paper banks and from businesses. From various areas, we are collecting the waste paper. Then, sorting by hand. Paper is graded and unsuitable papers are removed. Those papers contain any plastic coating, any plastic layers, they are removed because they can't be recycled. Plastic cannot be recycled. Next, transportation. Delivery to paper mill. Now after sorting, we have to deliver it to the paper mill. Then there is cleaning. Cleaning, pulping and removal of other materials, that is staplers, because we are stapling the papers, and in notebooks, in books, stapler pins are used. So these things are need to remove, and these things are taking care in cleaning step. In de-inking step, there are removal of inks and glues. Whatever the different inks in various papers, various kinds of inks are used for sticking the papers, glues are used, so these things are removed in this stage. Next stage is their paper making machine. Machine manufacture of usable paper. Means through the help of machine we are manufacturing different forms of usable papers by using that waste papers. Paper mache. This is another form which we can use to utilize the waste paper. Here we are taking the waste paper and we are converting it in different various forms that we can use as a base out of waste. Paper mache is a composite material consisting of paper pieces of pulp, sometimes reinforced with textiles bound with adhesive like glue, starch, etc. It can, by using this, we can make different things like different soapies items like you can see here. Next, by using it, we can make flower vase. We can make photo frames, we can make bowls. So all these things we can make by this paper mesh. Not only this, so many different types of showpieces can be made. Plastic. Plastic is a boom and parallelly it is curse for us. It is boon for us because it is very useful for us, from a needle to a big machine. It is used in different various purposes in different forms in our day-to-day life. We are depends on different plastic items for our requirement in our day-to-day life. But parallelly we are knowing plastic has so many in drawbacks also. They are creating lots of problems, lots of trouble in our environment for all the living beings. That's why we can say plastic is a boon as well as it is curse for us. There are so many things, so many examples we can see in our daily life where they are creating problem for us, and we can say it is a harmful waste. Plastic a harmful waste. We are getting plastic carry bags to purchase anything. If shopkeepers are giving the items in the plastic carry bags, we should try to avoid to take these carry bags. Instead of that, we should carry our own jute bag or cloth bags. And if we are taking these carry bags, then try to utilize it again and again. By this we can reduce the number of this carry bag use in our society. Reuse the plastic bags where it is possible. We should carry our jute bag or cloth bag while we are going for purchasing any grocery item, any vegetable, fruits, or for shopping. When we are going out, we should carry our own jute bag or cloth bag along with us. In some shops, it is now these days it is available to for purchasing purposes also. Because these bags are not create a problem for environment. They can decompose easily, but plastic can't. That's why plastic a harmful waste for us. We should try to avoid the storing of food materials in these plastic bags because they contain different toxic substances. As we are knowing, plastics are made up of different chemicals. By using variable chemicals, we are manufacturing that plastic, different types of plastics. So we should try to avoid the use of these plastic bags. Plastic bags need not to be used for the storage of food materials. Not only this vegetables or fruit storage, for our cooked food items also we should try to avoid to store in the plastic boxes. We should avoid the use of the plastic lunch boxes, because when we are packed that hot food item in this lunch box, they are reacting with this plastic which is contain different chemicals, and they are forming some toxic materials which are not suitable for our health. That's why we should try to use that still tiffin box which is healthy for us, because they are not reacting with the food items, they are not spoiling it easily because of the heat. Next, when we are collecting this plastic as a waste, different forms of plastic. It can be polythene, it can be any empty container. When we are throwing it in the garbage, we should think and throw, because where we are throwing, how this garbage are going to treat, that things we should take care. We should not burn them. Burning of plastic bag is very harmful because they contain chemicals, and when we are burning it, they are forming very toxic fumes which are releasing in the atmosphere, and they are creating pollution in our atmosphere, and these fumes are very poisonous for us. When we are throwing the waste food items, or waste comes out from the kitchen, or like pills of vegetable fruit, that things when we are throwing out, we should try to keep it in mind. We should not throw it in any plastic carry bag or polythene, because when these animals like cow, all those are coming to eat these food items, when they are eating that plastic carry bags or polythenes along with that food items. These are not digestible thing, and they are get stuck inside their digestive systems, and they are creating issues for them, and sometimes they may get dead also. So we should take care of it, what things we are throwing, and how we are throwing the waste items outside. Thank you.